Hello, I'm Thinev. Today I'll be talking about a bird, a babbler, that in the name it is actually called thrush. The ashy-headed laughing thrush. Unfortunately, it is listed as vulnerable. The laughing thrushes are a large family of old-world passerine birds characterized by soft, fluffy plumage. It is a resident breeding bird endemic to Sri Lanka. Medium-sized rufous babbler with a grey hood, beady pale eye, buff throat patch and blackish bill and legs. Usually encountered within small groups low in the understory or on the ground in wet forests of the lowlands and forest foothills. Variety of untidy vocalizations given including scratchy notes, whistles, squeals, metallic sounds and chattering calls, all given in combination. Their calls are like It is featured in the 3 rupee stamp in Sri Lanka. Locally named Sri Lanka Alu Demalichcha. I have not seen the ashy-headed laughing thrush. One such place you can see them is Sinharaja rainforest. Because I have explained our trip to Sinharaja many times, today I will be talking about a Buddhist temple. At a Buddhist temple, there are 3 important places. You worship them in the following order. First, you worship the stupa, also known as pagoda. Then you worship the bo tree. Finally, you enter the house with Buddha statues and worship Buddha.